Hey there, and welcome back to Penny to Power. Today we're diving into a topic that affects us all, income taxes. Now, I know what you're thinking, taxes? Really? But trust me, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how income taxes work, but I'll also share my favorite tip that could save you money. Yes, you heard that right. Stick around for that golden nugget. Segment 1. What are income taxes? Let's start with the basics. Income tax is a tax that governments impose on income generated by businesses and individuals. The more you earn, the more you pay. But it's not just a flat rate. There are different tax brackets that determine how much you owe based on your income level. So it's essential to understand where you fit in. Segment 2. How income taxes work. Here's where it gets interesting. Income taxes are progressive, which means that as your income increases, your tax rate also increases. For instance, if you make $50,000 a year, you may pay 10% on the first $10,000 and 12% on the next $30,000. This system is designed to ensure that everyone contributes fairly based on their ability to pay. Segment 3, deductions and credits. Now, let's talk deductions and credits. This is where you can really make a difference in your tax bill. Deductions reduce your taxable income, while credits directly reduce the amount you owe. For example, if you donate to charity, you might be able to deduct that amount from your income. And tax credits can sometimes even give you money back. Segment 4. Filing your taxes. Filing your taxes can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. You can do it yourself using software, or you can hire a professional. Make sure to keep track of your documents like W-2s and 1099s so you're prepared when tax season rolls around. Segment 5. My favorite tip. And now for my favorite part, the tip that could save you money. Always take advantage of retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA. Not only do contributions to these accounts reduce your taxable income, but they also help you save for the future. It's a win-win situation. So there you have it. Understanding income taxes doesn't have to be overwhelming. By knowing how they work, utilizing deductions and credits, and planning for your future, you can take control of your financial situation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching Penny to Power. Until next time, keep aiming for financial freedom.